In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL to Google Calendar. This is really useful when you want to subscribe to an online calendar, like a work schedule, a school timetable, or any shared events that are published as a link. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect that URL so the events show up automatically in your Google Calendar. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want these events to appear. If you use multiple accounts, take a second to check the profile picture or initials in the top right corner, just to confirm you're in the correct one. Once your calendar view is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section with your calendars, and just below your main ones, there's a heading called Other Calendars. This is where Google keeps calendars that you subscribe to, such as holidays, sports schedules, or any calendar you add via a URL. Next to Other Calendars, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus symbol. When you click it, a menu will drop down with several options for adding calendars in different ways. From that menu, choose the option that says From URL. This option is specifically designed for adding calendars that are shared as a web link, often with an .ics address or another calendar compatible format. After you click From URL, a new page or panel will open where you'll see a single text field. This is where you'll paste the calendar link you've been given. Carefully click into that field, then paste the URL. It's a good idea to make sure you're using the full correct link. So if you copied it from an email or a website, double check that nothing is missing at the beginning or end. Once the URL is in place, look just below the field. Depending on your version of Google Calendar, you may see an option to make the calendar publicly accessible to others, or it might simply offer a button to add the calendar. When you're ready, click the button to add it. Google Calendar will now process the URL, and if everything is valid, it will subscribe to that calendar. The new calendar should appear under Other Calendars on the left, usually with its own color. Give it a moment and you'll start seeing the events show up in your main calendar view, automatically kept in sync with the source of that URL.